In this video, I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, won't you give your girl a thumbs up? It don't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my videos. Now today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is The Spring Clean With Me, Living Room or Great Room, and is hosted by my wonderful YouTube sister Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime. Now if you're not familiar with Kimberly's channel, I will include a link to Kimberly's channel along with the playlist down below in the description when it becomes available. Now she has simple rules for her challenge. She asks that you clean a living room, family room, or a great room and have them clean for spring. That's all she asks you to do. And she asks you to use a hashtag. Now I'm going to put the hashtag across the screen. Hashtag Spring Clean With Me Living Room 2020 DDOAD. She asks that you be a subscriber to her channel, that you mention her channel in your video, that you include the link to her channel and the playlist in the description when it becomes available, and she asks you to have fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this spring clean, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, this is real life. This is not a lie. This is how my family room actually looks right now. Yes. Shoes, junk, dishes, the floor needs to be mopped, trash needs to be thrown away, bins need to be put up. It's a lot to be done in here. So I am going to put this camera down and get to clean. All right, it is clean. I mopped, and then I put the Method floor cleaner on it to give it a little shine. Let me see. I used this Method squirt and mop, the lemon and ginger. It gives it a little shine, and I love it. So everything is clean. Floors are clean, thank goodness. Everything has been wiped down. The room is back together again. Oh, I'm so pleased. If you're interested in the basket in the middle, that's where I keep all the remote controls, so we won't have to go on the sofa hunt for remotes. So I keep them in that basket for everything over there. The TV, the sound bar, the surround sound, everything has a freaking remote. It's in the basket. So I'm glad I participated in this clean. It needed it. I'm truly behind on doing a lot of things. Life goes on. Living room, check. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.